Weather Service in Upton, New York has issued a special marine warning for Sandy Hook, New Jersey to Moriches Inlet, New York out 40 nautical miles, Moriches Inlet to Montauk Point, New York out 20 nautical miles, Long Island South Shore Bays, until 8:30 p.m. At 7:23 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near South Oyster Bay to near Shark River Reef, moving east at 35 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater and small hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Strong thunderstorms will be near Fire Island Inlet around 7:30 p.m. Great South Bay around 7:40 p.m. Buoy 44025 around 7:45 p.m. Moriches Inlet around 8:10 p.m. Boaters should seek safe harbor immediately until these storms pass. Wind gusts 34 knots or greater, small hail, high waves, lightning, and heavy rain are expected with these storms. If caught on the open water, stay below deck if possible. Keep away from ungrounded metal objects.